Oh. As we had a little child follow us, and it was a ghost. Well, we figured out because none of the fathers or none of the middle-aged men. Fuck you. None of the middle-aged men in the train were her father, and so she just ran off. But I think it's time to go take a go to the bathroom, drink, and then smoke, of course, right? How we always do it, right? Oh, and here, very last stall. It's a shitting time. Shit. Still a very loud ass fucking toilet, but hey, who fucking cares? Oh, I fucking spun my shit. Hello? Hello? Acapado. No. Excuse me? No saying? Excuse me? Okay, well, fuck me. Drink time! The shippy ships. I like the detail on the little advertisements on the side of the walls and inside the trains. Kinda nice. Last time that light was flickering. Anything else gonna be different? Yep, there it is again. Whoa! Who's that? I didn't notice you before. Who you? Who you? Yeah, you. Okay. Am I done with my cigarette? Oh, I'm still gotta be puffing it. Alright, now I'm done. Just don't forget, 2 nights. We're doing 2 nights worth of... Now we gotta wait for a train. Hey, it's here. Okay. Took long enough. What kind of free drink is this? I would like to try it, actually. I would very much like to try the fruity drink. Oh? Okay. Time to go in the back with the female. That's it. 1. Oh, she's on. She's not here tonight. Probably have a day off. Probably. Oh, what the fuck? What? Okay. Whose baby? Am I gonna have to take a seat somewhere else? Oh, in this one. The opposite side. Fair enough. Understandable. I wouldn't want to be close to that. I would be in a whole different car away from it. Is that like a donating blood one? Why is the lights turned off? ... What's going on? A blackout? There's something wrong with this train. What time is it? 2 a.m.? It's way past the usual arrive time. I have to talk to a conductor. Apparently your ass has been knocked the fuck out the entire goddamn time. Hello, conductor. Is that Ronald? I said that last time, but I still want to know, is that Ronald? Excuse me, conductor. Why is this train still running at 2 a.m.? What area are we in? Are we in Japan? Well, we're obviously in Japan, I'm guessing. Are we in Tokyo? Excuse you, Hey! Conductor! I see you! You're right there! Well, fuck you then, okay. It's locked. What is there to do? If it's locked, it's locked. I can't go forward. Conductor! Conductor! Okay, I go fuck myself then, conductor. I'm going all the way back down to see what's going on. I don't like the no lights. Oh! Holy shit, you fucking scared the shit out of me. You. What's wrong? What's wrong? Can't you see the train is actually acting weird? I tried to doctor room, the door's locked. How can you stay so calm? What do you hear? What? I can help you only. I can only help you. I can help you only when you hear the voice of the nature world, even in the midst of crisis. So please tell me. What? Fucking weirdo. Does that mean I have to go over? I hear the cicadas. Wait a minute, are you talking about the cicadas? Yeah, the cicadas. In the order which you heard. Oh. Water. What is that? Is that forest? I hear bird chirping. So, cicadas, bells, ocean, forest. Whatever the fuck that is. Cicadas, bells, ocean, ocean, forest, something else. Okay, so I have to go back to her. Okay, so start over. I hear cicadas, temple, seaside, forest, and then summer festival. The world says you indeed hear the voices of the natural world. The other world has allowed me to call the helper. It should be here in a second. When you talk to the helper, the train should come to a halt. Okay, let me just black out real quick. Oh. What are these boxes? They are my child. I'm just a lover of cat, you see. Ah. Shanks, I see you. Oh, am I actually on the normal bus now? Are you the helper? Are you the helper? What are you talking about? Who are you? Wait a second. I know you. You were one of the troublemakers in my high school. You don't change. Mr. Can't say that fucking name because I'm gonna butcher it. How? Not okay. He's the man who saved me from dropping out. Without him, I wouldn't be in such a position in my company today. But mister, why are you out this late? Well, it's a hobby of mine to get on the last train and ride it before going to bed. Weirdo, he never changes. However, now is not the time for introductions. Sir, this train isn't stopping for hours, and I'm afraid the train will never come to a stop. Is there anything I can do? I understand. Okay, listen carefully, kid. You must get off the train before the train reaches the end. My destination is at the end, and trust me, you do not want to go there. There's three stops where you can get off. However, you must choose the right one. There will be an automatic automatically melody something fucking I can't read for shit. Melody played on every stop. When you hear the same sound as the sound you heard on the home station, get off. Otherwise, I won't be able to help you later. So be careful, young one. What? Okay, fuck me. Oh no! I'm gonna trust the old man. I'm gonna be right next to you. Old man! I'm gonna be right here with you, other bud. Or, oh, we're gonna get a little, that's creepy. No, I ain't doing that. Well, that ain't it. I don't know for sure that ain't it. I guess we're just gonna wait until the next one. Alright, hopefully this one's it, because I don't remember the melody. Sure! Get off at the right station. I fucking guessed it right, bitch. Thank God. Thank you. I got off at the right station. I have to catch the train. Oh, I actually have to go this way now. What the fuck? Huh? Looks like your card isn't readable. That's strange. It was working yesterday. Can you let me go this time? I don't want to miss my ride. Hold it right there. Don't you even try to get past. If your card doesn't work, you better get the ticket. Can't you help me get a new card though? No, I can't. You have to do that during the day. I can't help you at this time. Oh, you're a fucking dickhead, aren't you? Alright, where do I get a ticket? Oh, this is strange. Different. Are we in the mall? Oh, and the fucking ticket booth is all the way over there? Why couldn't it be like right there? That's some bullshit. That's some bullshit. I don't like how it's getting darker over here for no fucking reason. Buy a ticket? Yes. Sadly, because for some fucking reason. Thank you. I'll come again, more likely. Fucking dickhead. Excuse me? I heard something slopping on the floor. Okay. I went to the right one. What do I do with... Oh, it leads to the same area. Oh, okay, that's cool. I thought it just one area. Oh, and now he's gone? Fucking dickwad. Alright, time for my normal routine. What the fuck? Oh, who you? Who you? I'm Oh, I'm... Got a flashlight? Okay. Well, oh shit, it's every... I ain't fucking with that shit, nah. Alright, smoke break. Nope. Jesus, I'm sorry. Turn on the volume if you need to. Oh. Oh, I'm fucked. I'm fucked, okay. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna have to take out my fucking headphones real quick. Let me on the train. Let me on. Let me on. Oh shit. Okay. I'm thinking. Am I on the train? It sounds like I'm on the train. There's no sign. There's no sign this time. I'm gonna take a seat real quick. Yeah, that was a loud one, so I'm sorry if anyone has loud interference, so you might want to turn that shit down a little bit. Oh, excuse me. You gotta be kidding me. Not this, not happening again. This is like fucking more. Alright. Conductor. You need to start paying more fucking attention because goddamn it, I'm losing my shit. I thought I saw something. Multiple times. Here's the cicada. Wow. Conductor? Sure. Well, I guess there's no conductor. I guess I'm just gonna go full. Oh, Their train doesn't respond to anything I press. There's a keyhole. Looks like a key to operate. Oh. Yeah, maybe I need a... Is there a key anywhere nearby? Oh shit, what? I missed it. Oh! Oh! Mrs. got ran over. It kind of opened up the inside here. That's a little sad. Bruh, you better be starting walking. Oh shit, what is this? At this point, you might want to just like start walking home for now on because god damn. Oh, Changs? Is this like every person that's like been on the train? Oh. Hey, Grandpa! You want the... Or are you or is this knocking? Huh? What's up? Oh, your cane. Here you go. Place cane there. And then the child with the windmill. Place windmill there. Where's this one? You are a fucking plaster, so there's the fucking beer. Oh, shoes? Yeah, yours is a beer. Or did I miss a cicada? You are the heels. Oh. Yep, there. This is his. Okay, I missed the fucking little. I mean, he looked fucking plastered all hell on my end, but hey, that's just me, I guess. You want to put the bug case there. All I have left is a beer. Some of the good old beer. I don't like beer. I don't know who you are. Again. Oh, what? What? What's going on? Oh, I'm gonna... Oh! Shit! Nope, 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 I'm good. I don't need that. I don't need that shit. I don't need that kind of fucking bullshit. I'm sorry for the fucking loud ass shit. Oh, Jesus. I'm sorry for the loudness because this is also fucking ridiculously loud in my ears. Oh. Jeez. Oh. Did I get off at the wrong place? Jesus Christ, and it's loud. Looks like you made it. This isn't the place for you. You're gonna need a ride home, but I don't have a home. Don't worry, just call home now. They should know where to pick you up. Call them now before you get lost in this track. Okay, payphone. Is this a payphone? I don't know what this is. Why am I walking on the train tracks, and why is there a train track just right here? Yeah, I like the light a little bit better. Excuse me. This phone booth accepts 10 and 100 yen. I have a 10 and a 50 yen. Let's see. It seems like only way is one chance. Oof. He said call home. I'm calling home. I know that there's no one would answer. But I have to follow Mr.'s told me. Yes, hello. What? I can't believe someone actually answered. Who could this be? Hello, who is this? This voice. I know this voice. There's no doubt about it. It's my wife. How could this be? I called for this number many times, hoping that someone would answer, but no one ever would. Excuse me. I should hurry. I only got a few seconds until my minute is up. Something? When did you come home? I've been looking for you ever since you left. It's hard holding back my tears. However, now is not the time. Whatever the fucking name is. Where are you? I'm at Kingara Station? No, don't tell me. What do you mean? What did I do? So you too. I know exactly where you are. Stay right there. I'll be there soon. Okay. So she wants me to go back to the station, and that's probably the best option, to be honest. I'm going to need a ride. Call home. They should know where to pick you up. I called home. And she said stay here, so I'm just gonna stay here. Is there anything I can get? Anything over here? Doesn't look like it. Alright, well then, am I just gonna have to keep walking? Because they said stay here. They know where I'm at. They'll come get me. I'll stay a little longer. Oh wait. Time to go back down the hollow train. Did his wife like get killed by a train or something? What happened? There's the booth. Well, what if I just call him right back? Okay, if I just keep walking this way. What happens? Oh, headlights. Hey. Is that my wife? Hello? I can't believe my eyes. It was my wife's car. She hasn't changed. I looked her into my, I took her into my arms and cried. I'm glad. Oh, let me pull my mic real close. I'm glad she whispered, patted my back. I held her hand and got into the car. You're here too early, she said. We were driving. I didn't know what she meant by that, but that didn't matter. All that mattered was that I got to see her again. We didn't have much time to conversation during the ride. There was oh my god! I'm happy enough to get the present time and rather sooner. Okay. And just as I looked back at her invitation and she was gone, without making a single sound, she disappeared. ... Today I live a normal life as a salary again, wondering every night if I ever be able to meet my wife again. Well, was she in the afterlife? Like, did I go through an afterlife of what happened? Please tell me there was another one. Another night. I'll be a little sad if there's not. Oh, I'm sad now. A game by Chills Art. Chills Art support poster. Look at all them names that I can't read. Thank you for everybody for making it all. That was a great game. That was a good one. I like that one. Well, I like games in general. Oh, sorry. Yeah. I probably should see what happens if I got off at the wrong station, but I might do that later. Keyword might. But yeah, that was a good one. I like that one. That had a little nice little spookiness to it, nice and short, making it and all that. But yeah, that was a good one. Thank you to all our patron supporters. Patreon supporters? I don't know. I can't fucking. Anyways. Jesus fucking Christ. Anyways. Damn, that's a lot of supporters. Jesus. Good for them though. They have a lot. Their games are good. The horror plays. Oh yeah, love it. Anyways, I think it do be about that time. So thank you, everybody, for watching. This has been King. Oh, for those that are interested in supporting, patreon.com/chillaarts. Thank you for playing. Hey, honestly, go fucking support them. I might actually do that as well. Go support them if I can. But yeah, as I was saying, thank you everybody for watching. This has been King Jogger, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye bye.